Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video, we are going to create a checkboard pattern plot. So firstly, we'll start by importing the required library. So we'll import numpy as np, which is used to generate the checkboard pattern as a 2D array. And secondly, we'll import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. It is used to plot the pattern. And now we'll create a function using def keyword. So this function creates a checkboard of size into size squares. The default board size is 8 into 8 like a checkboard. And now we'll create the checkboard pattern. So for that we'll write so here np.indices size. This creates 2D array of indices, and here row indices and column indices is equals to np.indices 8 8 and applying percentage 2 here. If row plus column percentage 2 is equals to 0, it's black, and if row plus column percentage 2 is equals to 1, it is white. And the final checkboard will appear as 8 into 8 array, which is alternate, for example 0 1 0 1 and continue, etc. And this alternating 0 and 1 forms a checkboard pattern. So now we'll plot the checkboard. So this sets the figure size, which is 6 into 6 inches. So here board is the checkboard array and cmap is equals to gray uses grayscale, and color 0 is equals to black and 1 is equals to white, and interpolation is equals to nearest. This ensures sharp edges between the squares. So now we'll format a clean look. So here plt.xtext and ytext removes the access labels for a clean look, and now we'll add a suitable title to the plot. So this adds a suitable title to the plot, and at last we'll display the plot. So this displays the plot, and now we'll call the function So here we get a black and white checkboard with 8 into 8 grid. So let's check this. So now we can check this. Hence we can see a checkboard pattern plot with 8 into 8 grids. So thanks for watching this video.